G'day all, Brother Blonde speaking, and I'm just showing you my new Snoppa phone gimbal. And I've got it up against the mirror so that you can see it clearly, because I'll be showing you very shortly the gimbal with the phone attached. So now we have the gimbal connected to the phone, and the reason I'm in the bathroom is because A, there's good light, and B, there's a really good mirror so that you can see exactly what's happening. I'm not going to do a review of the gimbal or an unboxing or any of that stuff, because there are plenty of videos out that show all that sort of stuff. So what we have here, I've got the external mic connected and running from the phone into the gimbal itself, and I'm using the phone camera app, not the Snoppa app. So for those of you who haven't seen how a gimbal works, it's battery powered, it's got little motors, and with that, if I do too much, then it's obviously going to move, but I can tilt it, and as you'll see shortly, I'm going to take it outside and do a walking running test. And so far so good. I'm quite happy with the gimbal itself. I'm not happy with the app that it comes with. So generally at this stage I'm not using the app, I'm just using the camera's own, the phone's own camera app, and just doing basic video recording, which on this phone, S8, I can record in 4K, whereas I can't if I use the Snoppa app. So let's go outside and do some walking/running testing. One thing I must point out as well, which I discovered, it's very important, before you turn this on, you must mount the camera, the phone, but it's very important, I believe, that you mount it and balance it manually so that it doesn't tilt one way or the other when you put it into the gimbal. That way the gimbal is not fighting gravity just to keep the phone level. So we're just out front of my place, and I'm just going for a walk, and as you can see, it's quite jerky. I'm not jerky, well, some people do call me a jerk, but I'm actually holding the phone just with my hands, two hands, and as you can see, I'm doing my best to hold it smoothly and doing a really bad job at it. As you can see, it's really hard to keep the thing still when walking. I'm not even going to bother running because that'll probably just make most of you sick. So now I'm going to try it with the gimbal on.